Climate change is real. Climate change is considered as a problem for future. But climate change is impacting us in our daily lives, everywhere and everyone. I am one of those individuals who is responsible for the climate change, and I'm taking my complete responsibility and accountability on my actions, which led several billion people away from the basic human right of having safe drinking water facility and proper sanitation. I want to quote again, I'm responsible and accountable for my actions. In fact, each and every individual across this globe should be accountable and responsible for their action towards climate change. Climate change causes increase in drought conditions, increase in precipitation, increase in sea level conditions, increase in contamination of water, decrease in rainfall. These are good to hear because these are facts which are present everywhere, which we can read and understand. But we don't work on it. We don't want to implement actions and solutions on them because there is a famous saying, until and unless the death knocks the door, we doesn't know the importance of life. It's same with proper sanitation and safe drinking water facilities to all the individuals across this globe. It is considered nearly 2 billion people are going to face severe scarcity and not having proper sanitation and drinking water facilities by the year 2040. Now, how it affects each and every individual. It affects each and every man, women and children across this globe. It is considered nearly 1500 children died because of diarrhea each and every day. It accounts nearly 500,000 children dying in an annual year. It can fit a large stadium of 7 miles. 7 miles. Can we understand the problem? Can we work together to create a solution? Now, water issue is women's issue. Water issue is women's issue. The first reason is time. She travels several miles to fetch water and she comes back because in developing countries it is taken as a responsibility of women to fulfill the needs of drinking water as well as sanitation. The second one is education. Fill the heads with education, not with gallons of water. There are several young children, young women, girls who left and theft by the individuals across this world not to have a proper access and the fundamental right to education. We are responsible and we should be accountable. The most and important one, the toilets, the most fascinating fact according to me, that is, we have different types of toilets like squash toilets, like flush toilets, and even pits when we go to recreations. Like this sounds fun to everyone, but there are people who never had even primary access to all these mentioned before toilets. They don't know what is a proper sanitation actually. There are people who are not having proper sanitation. It is believed and it is studied that nearly 33% of population doesn't have proper toilet sanitation facility and 25% of individuals across this globe doesn't have safe drinking water facility. Now, during this COVID pandemic situation, it seriously affected. I am an Indian and there are several bodies of COVID-19 positive patients have been dumped into local water bodies and this water is fetched and there is an increased amount of open defecation in developing countries and this water is fetched. Due to the climate change, there is an increase in amount of temperature and this led to mutation of several microorganisms and these all together contributed for illness, for deaths of individuals. There is an increased amount of child mortality. Now how we can change this? By educating people, giving platforms to people to hear their voices, to hear the stories of which are unheard and they need to be heard to address the problems. The second one, investment into fields. By the year 2030, it is considered that all the 193 nations will have proper sanitation and safe drinking water facility by investing nearly $90 billion every year. We need to achieve it. But on today, we can observe only $10 billion are invested. The third and important thing is very important is building infrastructure where it is required and building institutions which look after it. I want to end by saying that even it is a poor country or a rich country, developed country, developing country, underdeveloped country, each and every individual in this country hold the responsibility and accountability and move this equation into accessibility to all the individuals across this globe to proper sanitation and safe drinking facilities. Thank you.